Andivukele ngekuseni ngiyabona nawe ngoba yazi lavitho zami qhala ilanga loqhela uthi ha. Ngoba kusekuseni ndiyavuka ndithi eish uyabona namhlanje ekuseni izolo yabo whatever happened izolo whatever happened nakuwe whatever happened izolo. But ngoku namhlanje it's a second chance namhlanje. It's another, not a second, another chance at life yabo. Yavuka. Mandivuke pha ngo-6 xa ndijonga bengaphumi ilanga but pha xa yo-7 laphuma. I enjoy sunrise. You know, life is precious. Life is hard sometimes, but life is precious. To live, to breathe, to work, to sow and reap your benefits. I mean, life is good. Life is precious. Never normal, but just appreciate life. Okay. Nabo bomi. Dilapha ndifuna pha. Mandisebenze ukuze ndifike pha. But otherwise, lo journey yakho ithathayo. Good luck, thandaze. But appreciate life alongside the way. Bona ba hey hi. Yeah. Life is good. Uba usaphila elinye ithuba to prove yourself to God that you really deserve uphila yabo. Because when I believe ba xa uvuka usebenza, yes prove ba Thixo ndisebenza bulela ngomgcini. Yabulela ngoba nenye imini. So sebenza toward that goal. So every day yabo ngiqale ugym ngiqale nini qale Monday so every day in the gym that's progress ba kancinci even though consistency wenza into ibona yenzeki but uyayazi bayenzeka but awayiboni yabo. So icacisa njani njengojima ke ngiqale ugym amandi ngiqale ugym amandi ngolesine namhlanje yabo angikaboni imihluko omkhulu but ndayazi ba uzawuba khona imihluko omkhulu bazawuvela nina ndazi. But ngisajima ngisaqhubeka. So yilona nasemsebenzini yasebenza qhubeka. Uphusha lo goal yakho uyaphusha yaqhubeka yabo. So yeah, then you wanna advise abantu appreciate life. Be thankful for life. Gee, enjoy the sun rise without a phone, without umculo, without anything, without TV. Just phume phandle ubukele ilanga linyuka sunrise okanye sunset. Just look at the before kanye nansi advice nansi tip sunrise uvuka ujonge ilanga ubone ke cinga ngenza ntoni namhlanje to do this then nalapha inhlizweni ibulele uThixo for enye imini yabo. Then ke sunset xa ibukele uthi okay ndiqibile noko ndenze le nale yabo. Like evaluate yourself uzimane uzimonitorish ba usixaye kusenenza le emini iqoma ndigqibile le yabo. And appreciate life, thanda abakuthandayo, love your loved ones, love your family, love who you love yabo. Love those who love you yabo. Khona ngoba it's either you love me or you leave me alone. Then qhubeke mfethu, qhubeka push yabo. Phande, pressure, pusha, phanda. Nakanjani madoda.